This is my model Jackie, and today we will be presenting Shinefinity Natural Blending Kit. We will be doing a balancing glaze service, which is using Shinefinity and Illuminacolor at the same time. Shinefinity is the perfect complement for balancing the ends while using Illuminacolor or Colorston Perfect on the roots. It gives an ultra-natural look with shimmering characteristics while retaining the highs and lows within the hair. This is super quick, simple, and easy technique. Jackie's root formula, I am using equal parts of Illumina 6-stroke 1.9 and 6-stroke with 10 volume Welloxin developer. As usual, develop for 10 minutes, then apply your Shinefinity target shade to the links and ends. For her links and ends, I'll be using Shinefinity 09/07 with equal parts of Shinefinity Activator. Shinefinity is a no-drip formula, which is great when applying to larger sections of hair because you don't have to worry about getting proper saturation or making a mess. You may have noticed that I'm massaging the two color formulas and marrying and blending them together. Blending Illuminacolor and the Shinefinity formula will drop the pH slightly at the transition area and create a seamless blend and beautiful color. Develop for up to 20 minutes, and bam, you're done. Here is our finished look for balancing glaze service using the Shinefinity Natural Blending Kit. Shinefinity is the perfect translucent color with zero lift. It's fast and easy to use with a 1-to-1 mixing ratio and up to 20 minutes of processing time. The results are true to tone, and its balanced pH leaves the hair with a shine you can feel, while still projecting an ultra-natural look.